Hello guys, welcome back to my channel InfoConnect. There are so many wonderful websites around and it is difficult to know each and every one of them. So in this video I am going to show you most useful website on the internet that will make you smarter, help you learn new skills and will increase your productivity. This website will help you to solve at least one of the problem really well. So let's get started. First one is the Jamjar.com. This site will help you to transform documents, image, songs, videos into different formats. Here you can get high quality file conversion for as many as file format as possible. Here you can see different file formats are given. You can convert PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, MP4 to MP3 and many more. If you want to convert your file from one format to other, just you have to add file. From here you can add file. Just select file and convert into different file formats. Here are the different file formats are given, and third step is download. Second one is the mysmartprice.com. Just type mysmartprice.com in URL. This is an online product and service comparison platform which let you discover the best product at best prices. Whenever we wanted to buy a product, we always try to find a product at a lowest price on a different e-commerce website like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, etc. So there is no need to find your product at any website. My Smart Price will help you to get different prices of your product at the same time and at the same place. If I wanted to buy a Realme 5 Pro mobile, you have to just type here Realme 5 Pro and search it. You can see the different prices of our product available on this site. The minimum price available in Tata Click. So you can buy it from Tata Click. So this site you can use it for many other products. Next one is the Duolingo.com. Just type Duolingo.com. How many languages do you know? If you wanted to learn more speaking languages, you must visit this website. This site will help you to learn the languages all around the world. Just you have to click on the Get Started. Here are the different languages you can learn from the basic. The advantages of Duolingo website is this is a free, bit-sized lesson feel more like a games than a textbook. So learning become easier. You must visit this website. Breaking of parts tools like electronic devices is a common case scenario nowadays. So how to proceed if something like that happens? So we don't need to go any repair shopping. You can do it on your own with the help of this website called iFixit. So you have to just type ifixit.com. Here you can learn how to fix just about anything with step-by-step guides. Also they provide free manuals for your devices. You can enter a device name that you want to repair. Here you will get different solution for your stuffs. Whenever we are going to buy a product from Amazon, Flipkart, we always go for the product with having a minimum price tag. The price of the product is always varying. It is not constant. If you want to see the history of price of your product, you will get it on a pricehistory.com. Just type pricehistory.com. Here you have to enter the URL of your product in search bar. For example, if I want to buy a product Samsung Galaxy M31, just copy the URL of this product and paste it here and check. Here you will get a history of the product. If you see, the minimum price is 15,000 and a maximum price is 17,000 and currently it is available at a 16,000. So you can wait for the lowest price. Also you can set the price alert just enter your target price here. So you can set any target price that should be in the range of his price history. If I set a 15,000 target price, so whenever the product price go below the 15,000, you will get a notification on your mail. The next one is a remove.bg. This website will help you to remove the background of your photo automatically with high sharpness. You just upload an image which you want to delete a background. Here you can select an image. I will select this one. After uploading, you can see the background has been removed. Download option is provided here. Here you can see a downloaded image and it can be used for a different purpose. Next one is for colorize your old photos. Just type colorize photo and select first one. We have so many old memories with the black and white pictures. We always want to see that pictures in a colorized form. So we have a solution for that also. Just upload your black and white image and it will convert into colorized form. I will select this image and let's see its effect. It will take some time. If you see, this image is converted into colorized form. With the help of this website, you can convert your old photos into colorized form. Also, you can download this picture from here. Download colorized image. You will get this image in download section. Next one is a tempmail.org. Every time for opening different websites, we require to create an account or sign up. So we use a personal mail ID, but we are worrying about to enter personal email ID due to spammings or securities. So there is no need to worry about. Just use temp mail ID whenever you want to create a new account. Next one is a fast.com. For checking the current speed of your internet connection, you must visit fast.com. Here you can see the current internet speed of your Wi-Fi. Also, you can get the information of latency, current location and server. Best useful website is IMGBB. Just type imgbb.com. This website will help you to convert your photo into link format. Just upload your photo. I will select this one. And click upload. It will take some time. After uploading, it will give you link. This link you can copy and send to anyone. If you see this link, after entering in URL, you will get your image.